Recent years, smart cities have gained momentum, with government-led infrastructure and IoT devices playing essential roles in data collection and storage. However, the high costs of building and maintaining these infrastructures present a significant challenge. The NGSC project addresses this by leveraging citizens' IoT devices, transforming them into integral parts of smart city infrastructure, and promoting a sustainable, community-driven approach. Our platform operates using privacy-preserving protocol rooted in onion routing, which enables secure, anonymous computations directly on IoT devices. This ensures privacy and security with all results gathered on the NGSC platform. Now let's dive into a tour of the NGSC platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the sensor setup wizard, a streamlined process designed to make initial sensor setup simple and secure. Here you'll see how to connect your sensor to the onion routing protocol network with ease. The wizard will guide you through the steps, ensuring everything is configured properly. If the sensor hasn't generated its public-private key pair yet, the wizard will automatically create these unique keys and securely store them on the device. Let's take a look at how it works. All right, entering a fake authentication token now to see how the server check handles it. And there it is, a failed validation. Now let's put in the correct token. And success, the setup is moving forward smoothly. Now let's select the types of measurements our sensor is capable of capturing. Next, we'll choose the functions our sensor is capable of executing. Finally, we'll set the hours during which our sensor will be active on the network. And that's it for the sensor setup wizard installation. Now, the Onion Routing Protocol ORP will launch and start relaying information securely to the servers. Now let's dive into the web app where you can create queries and access real-time, secure data insights. To start, we'll need a browser that supports the MetaMask extension. This will allow us to connect securely to the network using MetaMask for authentication. As you can see, the MetaMask extension opens, prompting me to approve the connection with the app. Now we're on the app's landing page, displaying some basic statistics. Here we can see that a total of 35 queries have been executed on the network, with none from us so far. There are currently 29 sensors active in the network, and 3 users have used the app to date. Now I'm building a query to send into the routing protocol network using our query builder. First, I'll select the measurements we want to compute: CO2, temperature, luminosity, and absolute humidity. Next, I'll choose an aggregation function. For this example, we'll go with the average function. Lastly, I'll specify the sensors for this computation. I'll check for any active sensors in the Koper municipality, but it appears there are none available. After selecting at least 3 sensors, we're ready to submit the query into the network. With the query submitted, we can now click on the notification to access our Query History tab. Here we can see that our query already has results available. By clicking on the table row, we can view the details, including both the task specifications and the results. We can also export our query history in both CSV and JSON formats. I'll go ahead and demonstrate how that works now. Now we've successfully saved our query history files in both CSV and JSON formats. I'll run another quick example, this time with different parameters for the query. I'll select CO2, relative humidity, and dew point as the measurements, choose the standard deviation as the aggregation function, and pick 3 sensors, the minimum required, to complete the setup. Once again, our query retrieves results very quickly, as you can see on the screen. Before we wrap up, I'd like to highlight that our sensors transmit queries in an onion-like fashion, prioritizing encryption and anonymity at every layer. This ensures secure, private data handling throughout the process.